everybody. I'm actually just down the street from where you pay your cable bill. About to be run over by some idiot that doesn't care. And there's a small bike shop here that I've been seeing. I've been wanting to get some video of it. I've been walking down the street a little ways because this camera does not have a decent screen, or it doesn't go widescreen enough, fortunately. They don't have a lot of bikes in here. Looks like they definitely got a lift, so they got a repair section, but nobody seems to be in it right now. I'm carrying Yamahas. See what other brands I see here, but here's the price for a Yamaha. This one is a Honda. Not sure what this one is. Other Yamaha, they're all these across the front here are Yamaha. This is the logo now. And we've got Hondas. Nice if they had the bike size numbers on there. They don't. They're probably all like 150s or smaller. Oh, this one here is a 110. Those nice little pink ones here like Helen likes. She likes pink. Hello, this is a 125. More Honda. Suzuki. These are probably all like 125. Not sure what size. And then we have the older style bikes. These are also pretty popular. The Kawasaki. 175. That one probably move along pretty good. 175 is enough to get you around here. That's what my trike is. This is a 125. On the 175, they don't have a price on that one. I'm showing the price of the engine size on these. Oh, these are 125. Oh, it has an extra spring, I guess, for carrying a heavier load. They all have dual springs on all 4 shocks on the back. Huh. I've never seen that before. Excuse me, how much is a 175 here?
The price up?
Yeah, what's the price of that one? 95? Yeah. 90. Small dealership, so it's going to be a short video. What's the largest bike you sell? Largest CC? What's the largest CC bike you sell?
ADV.
No, CC. The CC is of the bike. What's the 175? What's the largest engine?
175.
That's the largest. Okay.
This is the largest.
Okay. Do you sell anything other than bikes? Do you sell ATVs or?
Only 160.
A 160.
It's
No, I mean 4-wheeled. Do you sell 4-wheeled bikes?
This one only.
Oh, okay. I don't think he understands the question. Okay. So their bikes are all small, and 175 is the largest thing they've got. Honda Beach Street. I don't know what the difference is. These are running around 70,000. The one says Beach Street on it. I don't know what the difference is. Different. Looks just the same with different stickers. This one's on sale right now. Alright, Like I said, it's gonna be a short video, guys. There's not much of video here. Ah, here's a good sign video. And of course, down payments and all that, you can only use that. You got a wife or a girlfriend, you can put it in the girlfriend's name and do payments. But it has to go in her name. And we're across from Ski Oil. And right down around the bend here, you go down to Suleiman Hospital where John was. John is home and recovering. He's doing very well. He's having still a lot of trouble speaking. And seems like you don't get through sometimes when you ask questions, but other times you do, quite quickly. So he is recovering. And there's wifey Blue in the back. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Playing with our phone. Always playing with the phone. Tell me, what did Filipinos do before they had phones? Nothing? That's what you said the last time. But you don't want to do it this time because it's funny. Like I asked John's girlfriend the same thing before he got crashed up, and oh, and he was over. This is where my dentist's office is, across the street. Dr. Dale. Pretty good job, except for I didn't have the money to pay for my dentist yet. And that's about it, guys. Again, I'm switching YouTube channels over to I'm Lost in Translation 2. I will be broadcasting on both channels for quite a while. Eventually, hopefully that one will be monetized quicker because it simply has enough subs to be monetized. That's all, guys. Have a good one.